Hi, I'm Andrew, and this is the first day of the Great Backyard Bird Count 2017. We're here at the Olentangy River Wetlands in Columbus, Ohio, to see what we can find. And actually right behind me, the first bird of the day, the great blue heron. So the Great Backyard Bird Count is an excellent opportunity for people to do citizen science. You get out there, you do some bird watching, and every bird that you count gets uploaded to a database. All over the world, people are doing the same thing to develop a snapshot of what bird life looks like this year at this particular time in that particular place. One reason counts like this are so important is because every year is going to be a little bit different. And over time, you may be able to notice trends, patterns that pop up with bird populations. Some move a little bit north, some move a little bit south. Especially as climate changes and other things like that, you'll notice big changes. So snapshots like the Great Backyard Bird Count that happen every year help us pick out these patterns. And in fact, you'll hear above me red-winged blackbirds singing and calling. And it's not every February you're going to hear that. This is a really warm February. Some Februarys these red-winged blackbirds will still be further south where it's a lot warmer. But it's in the 50s today, so we've got red-winged blackbirds. So this wetlands property may not be a pristine wilderness area, but it's pretty amazing that we have this big forest surrounded by all these wetlands right alongside this beautiful big river smack dab in the middle of Columbus, which is a pretty big city. And in fact, we've got geese, Canada geese, we've got mallards right behind me, and even some wood ducks. So let's take a closer look at them. Oh, actually I just heard a downy woodpecker.